everybody. It's one of those days again, coming back at with you with another mail time. So I ordered some stuff the other day and figured, what the heck, can finally get my quad flying again. So I know exactly what's in here, but y'all don't. So here you come with a quick mail time. It's gonna be a short video here. Don't plan on being too long with it. So, got online, searched around, found my other two motors that I was looking for. eBay was sold out of them. And so I had to search around because nobody had the KV that I was looking for. So, Google searched it. And lo and behold, I found a company that has them. Skyready RC is the company. Awesome people to talk to. Awesome people to deal with. I went back and forth with them. I only ordered 3. That gives me 1 spare. And as soon as I ordered it, within 5 minutes, I had a message from them on Facebook asking, "Are you sure you only wanted 3 and not 4?" So I told them, "Yep, only needed 3." So there's those 3. And then these are my DYS ESCs that I've been dying to get in. And as you can see, I got 4 of them. 1 already on the quad, so 1 extra. So let me open these up so you guys can see what these look like. Of course, I'm sure you know they come with a heat shrink. They come with 2 heat shrink. The protector itself, which is nice. And then the ESC itself. And these actually look a lot different than my last ones. I might have to look at the other ones, because if it's different than these, the other one's probably a generic. But from this side, it looks right. I don't know. I order stuff from all different places, and I usually try to find the cheapest deals. And so I don't even think my last one come with the servo pins on it. It was just bare wire, I think. But I could be wrong. And they probably aren't exactly the same, and I'm just not paying attention. But these are DYS XSD 30 amp V2. So, and these are 3 to 5S, which I only run 4. But yeah, these are some nice ESCs. I call them on the cheaper side of ESCs, because you can get up to like $30 and $40 ESCs. I think I paid just a little bit for these. These were $14 a piece for these. $14.99, so just say 15 bucks an ESC. And these were 10 bucks a motor. So I'll be able to have my stuff flying in no time. All right, guys, let me cut the video right there. So me being me, dummy, I know. I didn't realize that Skyready RC actually put the coupon code that I was telling you about on the paper, and I had it all over the last video, but there you go. That's the coupon code blocked off. That's what it costs for the 3 motors, 4 ESCs, which to me isn't bad, I guess. But awesome company, guys. If you ever get a chance to check them out, they've got some great products over there. And like I say, within 5 minutes of ordering, I got a message straight for them to asking me about all the stuff that I had ordered, and they wanted to verify. And they even put the coupon code on the back of the business card, which is kind of cool. So I had a nice little video, but I had to cut it short, and because I realized I had a lot of the stuff all over there when I uploaded it. Because as you can tell, I've already installed 2 of the motors. Haven't put the ESCs on yet. That's probably going to be another day, tomorrow maybe. But I'll do a build video with all this stuff. But yeah, go check them out, guys. Skyready RC. Awesome people to deal with.